Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, May 5th, 2021. Well, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and we have some unsettled conditions throughout the region once again, with a stationary boundary basically cutting through central New Jersey and just to the north of Philadelphia, leading to a nice range in temperatures. You can see where our boundary layer is setting up, where our frontal boundary right now is stalled out. Over the New York City metro, you have winds coming in from the east, and you have temperatures ranging from the lower to mid-50s. You have areas of fog, drizzle, visibility around a mile, sometimes below a mile, like around JFK, around half a mile. Then as you head down towards the Philadelphia metro, basically to the south of, let's say, Trenton and Monmouth County, Belmar, those areas, you start moving into the warmer atmosphere behind the warm front. And you can see that over much of eastern Pennsylvania, where you have temperatures jumping up into the upper 50s to mid-60s. And the winds here are from the southwest and west, around 5 to 10 miles per hour, with, again, low clouds, fog, and showers in an area of moderate heavy rainfall that is about to approach our region and move through later on this morning. This is all driven by all these little frontal boundaries and little waves of low pressure. And you could see them all kind of converging here all over the place as we get all these boundaries set up. But notice very strong cold air transport over the Great Lakes. And this is what's going to be driving towards us for this afternoon. And that's what's going to instigate the potential for more showers. And yes, possibly a few strong, maybe even severe thunderstorms. If you're around the Delaware River Valley, that is where you would be looking for the potential for a isolated severe thunderstorm for today. On the surface map, you can see all these boundaries. You got one front boundary, waves of low pressure, troughs, cold front, occluded front, all sorts of activity right around here. But eventually, this will all march its way through and clear out the entire area by the time we get to tonight, providing far more tranquil weather conditions by tomorrow. Here comes our rainfall. Let's refresh this for a second. And you can see our rainfall that is approaching the region here. This will all lift to the north and east through the morning hours, producing moderate to heavy rainfall and some embedded thunderstorms here, maybe a little bit of rumble, but no severe thunderstorms. Then, as we go off to our west here, our cold front's starting to approach, and that's where we'll see that threat for an isolated thunderstorm possible by this afternoon between 1 and 6 p.m. Now, a lot of that is dependent on if we get any clearing here. As you can see this morning, it's pretty cloudy, right? Now, as this warm front lifts through, this afternoon we're going to have a period, a very short period, where we could see some breaks right around here, right around the Delaware River Valley, and right around southern New Jersey. And if that happens, then it's what we call destabilizes the atmosphere. So you see this down here? If this starts to break up and lift northward, and we start to see that clearing, then you have a better potential for severe thunderstorms. However, if it remains cloudy like this, pretty much the showers, maybe a weak embedded isolated thunderstorm, and that is about it. Either way you slice it though, it's going to be wet for much of today. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see that low pressure system lifting to the northeast, our cold front slowly marching its way towards the coast, and behind it are tranquil weather conditions for tomorrow. So let's walk through this forecast. For today, periods of showers and thunderstorms. We already talked about the clearing potential. We'll see how that all shapes up. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid-60s over the interior and around the New York City metro. However, if we see any clearing, those temperatures will jump into the upper 60s to mid-70s. If we see really good sunshine over southern New Jersey, I would not be surprised if a few locations spike up towards 80 degrees. But right now, that does not look like it's going to be the case. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for clearing skies with a wind from the northwest around 5 to 15 miles per hour, maybe gusting to 20 miles per hour at times. Look for lows in the lower to mid-40s over the interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. Tomorrow afternoon, sky cloud cover with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 50s over the interior, lower to mid-60s along the coast. On Friday morning, look for scattered cloud cover throughout much of the region in the morning hours. Low temperatures will range from the upper 30s to mid-40s. However, by the afternoon, clouds will increase, showers will develop, widespread showers will develop over eastern Pennsylvania, and it's going to be a wet afternoon and evening throughout the region, especially along and to the west of the Delaware River. So along the coast, more isolated showers. Along and to the west of the Delaware River, periods of rain, heavy at times, can be expected, with temperatures rising into the mid-50s to lower 60s over the interior, lower to mid-60s along the coast. For Friday night into Saturday morning, those showers shift towards the coast, widespread showers throughout the region on Saturday. It's going to be a bit of an unsettled day. Look for lows in the upper 30s to mid-40s. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid-50s. On Sunday, a little bit better. Scattered cloud covers expected in the morning, with temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast, lower to mid-30s over the interior. Watch out for your plants. By the time we get to Sunday afternoon, another low pressure system will approach. So look for increasing clouds with showers starting to develop throughout the region and becoming widespread towards midnight for Monday morning. Temperatures on Sunday afternoon will range from the mid to upper 50s, possibly a few lower 60s on the south side of Philadelphia. On Monday, look for periods of showers, especially in the morning hours, followed by clearing skies in the afternoon and evening. Look for lows in the lower to mid-40s over the interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast for lows. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s over the interior, lower to mid-60s along the coast. On Tuesday and Wednesday, high pressure will be in complete control with tranquil weather conditions expected. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 30s over the interior, lower to mid-40s along the coast, and high temperatures ranging from the mid-50s to lower 60s throughout the region. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. We will be having a live chat in the premium section this evening at 7 p.m. to discuss the newly released summer forecast and also the tropical Atlantic forecast that was issued this morning in the premium section. So definitely check that out. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.